What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're installing headlights. Woo! Right here, crystal clear. What we're gonna need is a ratchet, a 10mm, an 8mm, and a screwdriver. Craftsman preferably. You can see right down the bottom of your vehicle. This means this job is going to be super easy. Splash shield in the bottom of your car is missing. That means taking off the bumper is going to be super easy. So that's step number one. Just look at your vehicle, see how easy it's going to be. First step is removing these two push pins. You got one on each side of the bumper. Next, here by the wheel, there is one 10mm. We're going to remove it. And there it is. So this bumper's been off a couple times possibly. And this is one side, you got to do the other side too. Pull this side off. A nut basically in the top, and then the bolt was going through it, holding it the bumper. So this one's aftermarket for sure. But after that, you can basically pull the bumper out. Ow. We remove the top bolt. Next, we have this side one here. Next, you're gonna want to remove these two that hold this crazy bracketry here right under the headlight. Two screws I'm talking about, this one and this one, and here's the whole bracketry. We're gonna set this aside. Our headlight's ready to come off. Move our headlight bulbs. So let's replace 1, 2, 3, and 4. Old headlight is out. Brand new headlight, and the only thing you really want to check is right back here to make sure it has this seal. This seal is so water doesn't get in and doesn't get all oxidized. Okay, one. Let's get this back one. All right, perfect. There's 2 tabs right in the back, and they go into these 2 right here. Install this. Talking to us?
No.
The bottom bracket on. This up here. Have to push the headlight a bit to get it to line up. Tighten up these 2 bottom ones. The light completely installed, everything buttoned up. And now all we need to do is do the exact same process on the other side. I'm not going to show that because it's the exact same thing. Nice little pop. Next is the plastic clips that go right here on the headlight. Perfect. It's just these bolts right here, and this didn't fit perfect, so we're gonna put this guy into here. The other side is the exact same thing. Those are the Autosaver88 headlights. Thank you so much. I want to thank everyone for helping me out with them. They look amazing. Go check these out. I'll have a link down below. Thanks guys, have a good day.